Hey guys, Danny back here with Partay, and I just want to show you one of the little toys I've picked up for summertime. It's one of a couple that I intend to pick up. This is the Dangbei Mars Pro. Uh, just showing you it's got two USB ports, two HDMI. Does an exceptional job. It's a small little block, roughly about 8 inches by 10 inches and then about 8 inches tall. It's just a smidge bigger than the PSP shipping boxes that I use. So, very impressed with how small this thing is, how mobile it is. It's a lifestyle projector, so it's meant to be mobile and be moved around a good bit. And it has a number of features that I was really looking for, specifically for use around our pool and things like that. Now, I'm going to show you some displays. This is still the Dangbei, and this is in highlight in the living room here. And we'll show you with some less light. It won't be completely dark, but a lot less light a little further in the video. But primarily, now I'm going to do, I wouldn't call it a review because I'm not really a review channel. I would say I'm just going to give you my thoughts on the Dangbei, excuse me. But after I do my thoughts on the AWOL LTV 2500, I've been meaning to get to that video, and unfortunately, I've got a lot of construction and renovation projects that are going on around here, with it being springtime, getting ready for summer. During that time, we've also had my old drummer, a good friend of mine, passed away. He had struggled for years with cardio issues and finally lost. And then just about a week ago, we had to say goodbye to our oldest boxer. Kind of devastated the household here for a little while. It's been kind of tough. Just, you know, we're all pretty tight with our animals here, so we love our fur babies. But a lot going on. But I do intend to do my thoughts around the AWOL LTV 2500 and the Dangbei Mars Pro. So that'll be two separate videos that'll be coming up next that I'll discuss. But I really wanted to take some time in this video really to say thank you. I want to formally say to Silent and to Crow that I appreciate all the support that you guys have provided. You didn't have to do it. And for the record, guys, I'm not saying this like to keep arm's length, but it is arm's length. I didn't ask anyone to do these reviews. They chose to do these reviews, and for that, I'm extremely grateful. I think it's great whenever, as a community, you can support each other. And if there's somebody who would, love to have, my support or me to take a look at things, I'm more than happy to do that. One of the things that I've always stated out here is there is no one perfect way to get to where you want to go. It really comes down to what is the best option for you based upon your budget, based upon what your end results, the end results that you desire really are. I've always said that, for example, like Series C that you're looking at here, it's not magic paint. There's been a lot of design work that's gone into it. And it's funny because you hear those who are familiar with the Screen Wars stuff, you hear, I don't even want to call them a competitor, you hear the sham scam channel out there say a lot about no testing, but I can promise you there's been more testing that's gone on with these products than anything that's ever happened over there. The testing is always just rigged demonstrations, where this is actually tested. And you can look at this. This is a 2100 ISO lumen projector projecting on a matte black screen. Okay, it's not jet black. Never claimed it was. It's a matte black screen. Does it have to be jet black? Because I can promise you, you'll never see a jet black screen that looks like this. Never. That looks this good. And that's where people out there take this stuff too literal and don't understand true screen design and how screens interact with light. And being able to take that and manipulate it to make something that's actually a great product, especially for its price. So I appreciate the recognition from Crow, a competitor, somebody I appreciate, but but he's still a competitor. And the fact that he would actually support that, I think, speaks volumes. And then Silent, the same way. I remember when Silent first reached out to me, he was honestly, I think, amazed. And that just filled my heart, because I want customers to be happy. I want people to be happy. I knew what the screen is capable of, but to receive that feedback, to receive that recognition just means volumes. So for all of you guys out there, and I want you to look at that. So I drilled in so you could see, even in dark scenes, that Sirius C will still represent detail very well. And once again, 2100 ISO lumens on this projector. So just wanted to throw that out there and say, once again, a big heartfelt thank you for the support. We thank everybody for the purchases that have gone. We're expecting to pass our 500 units sold milestone. So thank you. You guys take care.